have a biannual event every fall and every spring. We are at a community garage sale of 60 vendors. This event is for all ages. And new this year is our Kids Corner. We have an additional 18 booth spaces this year for children ages 3 to 15. The vendors that participate in this event are from our community. Many of them are in our immediate tax district of the community center and a few neighbors. Some of the vendors use the monies raised for their charities. We get a tremendously positive feedback for all of our vendors, really. People like to meet other people, neighbors see each other. Sometimes neighbors sign up and then another neighbor signs up, so it's a wonderful event from that standpoint. We run this event both rain or shine, so even when it's pouring rain, we have a tremendous turnout. Our mission is to generate events that all of our community can participate, and we like to have everybody come out for this event.